Physical love, whether it's a hug, a kiss, holding hands, or intimacy, is one of the most emotionally powerful human experiences. But this deep feeling is not just emotional, it's also scientific. When two people come into physical contact, the brain releases oxytocin, the love hormone. It builds trust, emotional bonding, and a sense of safety. In adults, it strengthens connection during intimacy. Alongside oxytocin, the brain releases dopamine, which brings pleasure and happiness. That's why physical love feels like a high. Your brain sees it as a rewarding experience. Endorphins also play a role. These natural painkillers reduce stress and create a calming effect, which is why loving touch can ease anxiety and sadness. Most importantly, physical love meets a basic human need, the need to feel loved and accepted. It improves emotional connection, trust, and mental well-being. That's the real power behind physical love.